Good morning, all of you. Let us start exercise number 4b today. First of all, let us study the formula a plus b all cube. A plus b all cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. When you look at the RHS part of this formula, it is clear to you that the power of A is in decreasing order of their value and the power of B is in the increasing order of their value. Here 1, here 2, here 3, the power of B 1, 2, 3. And the same formula can be written in some other way also, that is, this a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. This a cube is first term itself, b cube is the last term, and from the second and the third terms we take 3ab common factor, so that we get 3ab into a plus b. That is, a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Again, from the second formula we can derive one more formula. A cube plus b cube is equal to this, a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Carefully look at the board. A plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Now the second formula, a minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. The same formula can be written in some other form also, that is a cube minus first term, I write first term first, then the last term minus b cube, and from the second and the third term I take minus 3ab common factor, minus 3ab into a minus b, so that we get a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Again we can derive one more form from the second line, that is a cube minus b cube is equal to a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. This third form is derived from the second one. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. And the third formula, a plus 1 by a whole cube is equal to a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3 into a plus 1 by a. I wrote it directly. Using this result, if we expand a plus 1 by a, actually we are getting this term 3 into this first term a into 1 by a into a plus 1 by a. After cancelling this a and a, we get 3. That is a plus 1 by a whole cube is equal to a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3 into a plus 1 by a. And from this result we can derive one more form, that is a cube plus 1 by a cube. A cube plus 1 by a cube is equal to a plus 1 by a plus 1 by a all cube minus 3 into a plus 1 by a. We derive this second result from the first one. A cube plus 1 by a cube equal to this LHS a plus 1 by a whole cube minus taking this term to LHS. So that we get a cube plus 1 by a cube is equal to a plus 1 by a whole cube minus 3 into a plus 1 by a. The same way we can write one more form, that is a minus 1 by a whole cube is equal to, as we wrote in the first line here, we can write this also, a cube minus 1 by a cube minus 3 into a minus 1 by a. Now let us write what is a cube minus 1 by a cube. A cube minus 1 by a cube is equal to a minus 1 by a whole cube plus 3 into a minus 1 by a. These are the identities which we have to use to solve question from exercise number B. Now let us begin exercise B. Now let us begin exercise 4B. Question 1. Find the cube of 3a minus 2b. Solution. 3a minus 2b all cube is equal to 3a all cube minus 2b all cube minus 3 into 3a into 2b into 3a minus 2b. Look at the board. This is equal to cube of first term, 3a whole cube minus 2b whole cube minus 3 into first term. This is first term 3a into second term 2b into same bracket 3a minus 2b. Here we use the identity a minus b whole cube. This identity we applied here. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Using this identity, we expanded the first line, LHS part. So, this is equal to 27a cube minus 8b cube minus 3 into 3, 9, 18ab into 3a minus 2b. Again it is equal to 27a cube minus 8b cube minus multiply 18 into 3 54 a square b minus into minus plus 18 to 36 a b square. Again this is equal to 27a cube minus 54 a square b plus 36 a b square minus 8b cube is the required result. Please look at the board how this question is solved. Let's go to second question. Find the cube of 5a plus 3b. Find the cube of 5a plus 3b. Solution. 5a plus 3b all cube is equal to 5a all cube plus 3b all cube plus 3 into first time 5a into second time 3b into 5a plus 3b, which is equal to 125a cube plus 27b cube plus 45ab into 5a plus 3b. Again, this is equal to 125 a cube plus 27 b cube plus multiply 225 a square b plus 135 a b square. Here we remove the bracket multiplying each of these terms by 45ab. 45 into 5, 225, ab into a square b. Again we multiply 45 into 3, 135, ab into ab square. Again this is equal to 125 a cube plus 225 a square b plus 27, not 27, let's write this time 135 ab square plus the last term 27 b cube. This is the required result of the second part. Today let us conclude our class. Tomorrow again we will start.